Hi, I'm John Blacher. Today we're going to take a Nautique GS22 for a spin. This is a newer design boat from Nautique that allows wakeboarding, surfing, and water skiing all in one versatile package. Quality and innovation remain a top priority at Nautique, and this is clearly evident when you first set eyes on one. Just take a look at the quality of materials used throughout this boat. Not only is the vinyl soft and luxurious, but every effort was made to accommodate both form and function. Extensive use of patterned EVA foam sea deck has been incorporated into the cockpit, coaming, lockers, and even the consoles. This soft touch material is grippy and provides unique design opportunities. Most of the boats coming out of Nautique these days are dedicated wakeboard boats or surf boats, or a combination thereof. And the challenge with a surf boat or a wakeboard boat is they don't always make a great ski boat. They're really designed to maximize the wake and make it as big as possible. For water skiing, that's terrible. Long before wakeboard boats, however, Nautique produced some of the best competition ski boats in the world. By incorporating hull design elements from their Ski Nautique and G-Series wakeboard boats, and utilizing a large center transom tab to control the attitude of the boat, the GS22 can produce dramatically different wakes. Unlike the G boats, the GS boats are designed for water skiing, and there is a water ski mode in the LCD array. You simply push slalom ski, and it automatically sets everything for you. So let's check out the wake on this boat for slalom skiing. As soon as I hit the throttle, I can feel the back of the boat come up right away. The boat doesn't go on plane with the nose in the air, it kind of comes up on plane fairly level. And that's that NCRS system. Or Nautique Configurable Running Surface. It includes a center transom tab large enough to significantly change the planing angle of the boat. At skiing speeds, it helps lift up the stern to lengthen the waterline and flatten the wake. All of this is done automatically, depending on the setting you choose. As soon as we slowed down, the awareness cam came on automatically, just to make sure we're aware of what's behind us in case someone's fallen in the water. The GS series is definitely Nautique's most versatile boat. So we finished with our water skier. We want to jump in and get a surfer on board now, so we just push wake surf. Would you like to use it and activate all the ballast settings? Yes. And that's all you have to do to go from water skiing to surfing. 2 button pushes. The systems on the GS boats are fairly complex, but the Link Pan Array touchscreen allows you to easily switch modes from ski to surf or wake at the touch of a button. Of course, any part of the system can be customized for each rider and saved to their individual profile for later use. Like the G boats, the GS boats all have subfloor ballast, and this boat has 2,250 pounds built in. This boat's surfing goofy right now, and it's a very level, flat position in the water. The boat's not keeled over dramatically to one side or the other. Let's switch over to regular again. Now, a boat that would use just trim tabs to achieve this kind of surf would be leaned over quite a bit right now. But with the Nautique system, the boat still remains relatively flat, and check out the wave you have from a boat you can still ski behind. That's unbelievable. You can fine-tune the surf with ballast and the Nautique surf system. We played around with the NSS wave plate, going from a maximum setting of 5 to 0 and back a few times, and you can see the wave change shape even in these choppy conditions. You know, these GS boats also have a lot of freeboard in them, which makes them a very dry boat just to go visiting and touring around the lake. They also have a fairly deep dead rise in the front of the boat, which makes them quite comfortable if the chop comes up a little bit. Our test boat had the standard 400 horsepower PCM ZR4 engine, which sounds just fantastic. Unless you live at elevation, that should be enough power to pull anyone, even with a fully loaded boat. With a large prop and rudder, these Nautiques can be quite responsive to inputs at speed, but without any way to trim the boat, there's always been a compromise to handling in the past. Now, the NCRS tab will help keep the bow down when you turn the wheel, which really helps turn the boat, making it more engaging and fun to drive. So now you've got a boat that can generate a wakeboarding wave like that, and a surfing wave, and still have a flat wake for water skiing. I can't think of a more versatile, well-rounded boat than that. What an awesome machine.